Hello, my happy littles. There comes our friend letter A. A makes the sound eh. Eh. Time to find a new friend for our letter A to make a new word magnet. That's letter N. And N makes the sound hmm. Let's say the sounds together. A, an, a, fast, an. Very good. We made the new magnet an. See what letter it catches. Here comes letter F, and F makes the sound f. An, fan, an, fast, fan. Yes, fan it is. It's a cool fan. Fan. Oh, that's M rushing to an. M makes the sound Let's say them together. An. And fast. Man. Man. Yes, that's a happy man. Man. Who's next? That's letter P. P says p, p. Let's say them together now. P, an, fast. Pan, pan, pan. Mama uses a pan to cook food. Pan. Hey, there's one more letter coming. It's C, and C makes the sound k. K. Let's say them together now. K. An, k. An. And now fast. Can, can, can. Yes, yes, you can read it. Can. Ready for the reading challenge? Let's begin. The man has a fan. The man has a fan. The man has a fan. Well done. This one, a rat is in the pan. A rat is in the pan. A rat is in the pan. In the pan. Get out of there, you funny rat. The last one. The man can fan the cat. The man can fan the cat. The man can fan the cat. Oh, look at that. The cat is enjoying the breeze. Time for a quick recap of the and words. And fan. And man. P and pan. K and can. And it's time to say goodbye. See you in the next video.